In building this house, our family had grown in quite a short space of time. And so we needed a much larger space to accommodate multi-generational living.
So we've split the house across 2 levels, 7 people living in the house, and there is individual spaces for most. With the primary living spaces on the ground floor and the private bedroom spaces for the core family in the upper level.
Despite it being a house for 7 people, it actually uses a relatively small footprint, very efficient use of space. So that means that it is actually cheaper and easier to heat and cool.
The material palette for the house is quite natural and simple. So a combination of precast concrete floors and timber accents and some pops of colour throughout as well.
I drive an EV. It's important to me to try and reduce my energy output. It's great having a charging station at home because I can plug in, charge it overnight when it's actually 3 free hours of power, so it doesn't cost us anything to run the vehicle. The heated floors, towel rails, appliances, they can come on when the power draw is at its lowest. And then things like the blinds are automated, so they can come down at the hottest point of the day and keep the house cooler. We have a central courtyard, which opens seamlessly into the main living area, which is lovely because it doubles the amount of space we've got to entertain or just relax together as a family.
The success of this project is that we managed to deliver everything that the clients needed in the brief without overbuilding and creating too much house. At the same time, it still feels spacious and really usable and functional. And it's also an energy efficient home which performs really well and is comfortable for the occupants.